Hey there, I'm Ian of Austin, and I'm going to show you one of the easiest apps you can use to record your screen while still being on camera.
Real Agent Answers.
Just about everybody these days has had to get used to hopping on camera or video call to show other people that they're up on technology. For example, I myself as a realtor, on one of my other YouTube channels, I like to show people home prices and maybe neighborhoods and how to navigate them. I tend to have the same conversation a lot, and so what this does is it lets me record the conversation and then I can just send it out when I feel like it. I know how valuable this is in my business. If you think it could be just as valuable in yours, prove it to me by smashing that like button for me. And if you're watching this on YouTube, in the description below, I've included a link to be able to download the app. Keep in mind, if you use my link, ianofAustin/agent apps, then you'll get a small discount if you decide to upgrade from the free version. So real quick, I just want to show you kind of how it's laid out. You have the workspace settings. You can name your workspace and you can invite teammates. If you have multiple people that are recording videos with you, you can share or see your shared videos. Again, you have your team members starred. Once you have 100 videos, you might want to star the ones that you frequent, archived if you don't want to see them every single time you pull up your list of videos. And then you have some basic settings. And in your settings, well, before we go to the settings, you can see my billing. And there are different options you get if you're willing to pay. And so here are the options that if you decide you want to upgrade, how it changes the way the software works. And if you are a member, you get some perks in here. You can easily change your appearance from like dark mode instead of it being all bright white, right? It might save your battery on your phone or your laptop. Security, data, and integrations. Integrations are for things like Slack. If you have a team that uses Slack, then you can integrate Loom within it. And I also want to show you that you can download this on your Android or iPhone. You can get a Chrome extension for your Google browser, or you can download a desktop app for your Mac or your Windows PC. Listen, if this woman at Rando Company says that the app is incredible, then you gotta believe her. I'm just kidding. It's a good app. I hope it adds tons of value to your career. Now get out there and start recording and stop making excuses. I'm Ian of Austin, and it's been your pleasure.